Yeah, I finally brought together the world's shortest and the world's longest fingerboard trucks. These ones measure 68 millimeters, double normal length. These ones come in right at 21 millimeters. But then I had an idea. What if I swapped them instead? So I got right on it. And well, this is what I came out with. I'm not sure how it's gonna go, but we might as well put these things to the test. The short ones carved crazy deep, like a surfboard, and the long ones just grip the ground. Tons more pop during the tray flip test. This one was a bit harder and ended up being a double, I think. The long ones slide across the rail in any direction. But I think I unlocked a new grind with the short ones. Let me know which trucks you would pick down below.